Hi, my name is Julian, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how you can add Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet step by step. I'm not going to leave anything out. If you have any questions, let me know in the description below. So first up, what you need to make sure is you have MetaMask Wallet. If you would like a guide on how to add MetaMask Wallet, let me know in the description below. I'll be happy to do that. So first up, you'll need to go to your MetaMask little tab here on the Chrome or on your app. It works either way, on your phone or on computer on your Chrome. So first up, click on this, and then what I like to do is just expand the window. So these three little buttons on the side here, three little round buttons. I'm just going to press on them and click expand view. Alright, so now next step is on the drop down tab, you will need to go to the custom RPC tab here at the very bottom. I've already got Smart Chain added, but I'm going to share with you how you can add it. So click on that custom RPC at the bottom of it. Now I need to go to the Binance Smart Chain this is official Binance website. So it shares with me the information I need, the network name and everything else. What I need to do now is copy the network name and this information straight over to my MetaMask wallet. So all I'm doing is copying this information into here that I've got directly from Smart Chain's website. So the URL into the new RPC URL, the chain ID, which is 56, and then the symbol, which is BNB, and then the block explorer is this one here, BSC chain. And then all I need to do now is to click save. So once you click saved, it will automatically be added to your network, which is all on the drop down tab, which I'll show you right in one moment. So I already have it added, but if I didn't have it added, it would allow me to save it here. So once you click save, you can exit this. Now once you go to this little drop down tab here, you should see Smart Chain here. So as you can see, I have got Smart Chain added. So you will need to have BNB in your wallet if you're looking to swap coins on the Binance Smart Chain. So that's just a heads up. So first up is you need to make sure you're not sending cryptocurrencies from other networks, main networks. So for example, you can't be sending Ethereum into Smart Chain. You can only be sending cryptocurrencies on the Smart Chain network. And the way you can find out if it's on the Smart Chain network, if you come to CoinGecko, I'll leave a link in the description for this, but if you type in BNB in here, and you see here, the Smart Chain ecosystem. Now, I'll show you a clear way to find out if it's on the Smart Chain network. So the first step is I'll just click on anything here. Click on any of these cryptocurrencies here. These are all on the Smart Chain. This little symbol here tells me that it's on the Smart Chain, Binance Smart Chain. It even appears on there for me. BSC, so the Binance Smart Chain. So that's really the easy way to find out. Of course, there's other cryptocurrencies that are on the Binance Smart Chain, but they might not be added on CoinGecko yet. So that's just a heads up. But you can mostly, if they have this symbol here on CoinGecko, you can guarantee they're on the Smart Chain. So please make sure to double check before you send any cryptocurrency into your Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Make sure it's not on other networks. I've heard people in the past make mistakes like this and they lose money most likely. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions in the description below, let me know. I'll be happy to answer them.